focus on key topics such as addressing workforce demands from various perspectives to meet the requirements of economic restructuring and regional linkages. Policies encouraging businesses to collaborate with universities during the training process to align education with workforce needs. Emerging fields such as artificial intelligence and semiconductor, leveraging the creative potential of the Central region's people, developing industries such as marine economy, industrial, agriculture, and service sectors in the region sustainably in the context of new growth dynamics. The event serves as a platform for leaders, managers, academics, and businesses to discuss and propose effective solutions to enhance practical, sustainable collaboration among the government, universities, and enterprises in high-quality workforce training. The outcomes of the workshop will provide theoretical and practical foundations, offering suggestions to ministries and central agencies, particularly the Ministry of Education and Training, or local authorities. These inputs aim to assist the government in creating mechanisms and policies to foster robust collaboration among stakeholders, ultimately supporting high-quality human resource training.